Hello! First of all, make sure that the motor is rotating in the correct direction in relation to your key switch. Refer to the motor rotation direction tutorial if you need to. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a little tip to identify the setting wheels so that you can adjust the high and low limit switches. This useful and quick tip works for every installation, whether the motor head is mounted to the right or to the left of the winding tube, with an interior or an exterior apron winding. Nothing could be easier. When setting the high limit switch, that is when the curtain rises, simply look at how the apron winds on its winding tube. Here, the apron is winding downwards, so you need to use the lower wheel to adjust the high limit switch. When setting the low limit switch, that is when the curtain lowers, simply look at how the apron winds on its winding tube. Here, the apron is winding upwards, so you need to use the upper wheel to adjust the low limit switch. The setting wheels are marked according to the high and low limit switches. You may now play the limit switch setting tutorial.